Hi, I'm Jessica the cat and I'm going to the world's fastest building a computer and let's go. Yeah, I built a computer in 0.12 seconds and that's is awesome. Yeah, I'm the world's fastest computer builder ever and I'm the world's best engineer. And this computer is Jessica the cat OS and I'm going to the World Record Stadium right now. Oh, and I'm going to take a computer to the stadium too.